girl from the ghetto, hear my retro. Stepping at them dancing and claps. When the rest of them a beat them stiletto. When we step in off the echo, punch through them city like a metro. Silencio. We not no time for dirty.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Makeup by Sunrise. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? Make sure you click that red button down below to subscribe so you can join the crew and know what's going on with me always. So I definitely forgot to film an intro and an outro because I was so excited to get this video out to you guys. And I also want to say thank you so much for all the love and support that I got on my last video on my blonde effect, which is my platinum blonde hair tutorial. I am so super excited, and I was so surprised to see so many views. Thank you guys so much. Anyways, I'm just gonna let this video play out. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below in the comment section, and I'll see you soon.
Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a billion. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a billion. It goes on and on and on. You give me need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Make me believe that your love is mine. Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. All summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Everybody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning into today's video. I hope you guys loved it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Ay, we not no time for the